YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy NateJustDope, back another video, and JD Nation was down with it, man. Yes sir, bro. Y'all see by the title, you know what I'm saying, your boy will be taking down these 2-strand twists, you feel me? Now for those that don't know, when I did get my starter locks, she did finger coils and then 2-strand twist them together, you feel me? So that's what's going on. That's why they look like 2-strand twists right now. But yeah, basically, you feel me? So I'm basically gonna be taking them down to do a twist out and also to just let the finger coils breathe, you feel me? Because I left them in for a month and like 2 days. Yeah, now so yesterday I did wash my hair, so that's why it's looking very like poofy and like frizzy and stuff like that. Let me show you what they're looking like. You know what I'm saying? There we go. You feel me? So this is like a full day after I washed my hair. So yeah, bro, that's what we're looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and take these 2 strands out and just have my finger coils or my comb coils, you feel me, out for the rest of this second month, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro, I did notice that my hair did get very tangled after washing my hair yesterday, so we'll be like not really breaking it apart, but just like taking it loose, you know. Well, not loose, but basically separating it so it can be one starter lock or dread. So yeah, bro, I'm gonna start from the back and then work my way up to the front. So yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up. You know what I'm saying? This is the way I've always like did my hair. I've always worked from the back to the front. Just made it a little bit more organized. My hair is very dry. Like I said, I washed my hair yesterday, so I will be using my tea tree oil to go ahead and take down these twists, you feel me? So alright, y'all, so just go ahead and put some oil on my fingertips and on my hand, you know what I'm saying? Let's get this thing started. Go ahead and put oil on my scalp around the area where I'm starting at. But I need to cut too, don't mind the size, like ooh-wee. It's my first time, well of course it's my first time taking them down, but it's my first time seeing my hair like this, man, so it's gonna be very new to me. Yeah, y'all see it? See it? Ooh, it's curly. Yeah, bro, so we're just gonna be doing this for the whole time. Hopefully this don't take long. Probably shouldn't take no more than like 30 something minutes or something like that. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up so y'all won't be sitting here, you know. So yeah, I'll catch y'all once I'm done. Feel me? Took about an hour, but we are finished now. So yeah, y'all see. So I basically took them down how I would. I basically took it down the same way I would regular 2-strand twist, but as y'all see, they're still like in the coiled phase, like towards like the bottom or towards the root. You feel me? So yeah, that's showing you which dreads are which locks are gonna be the locks and stuff like that. So yeah, bro. Here we go. You feel me? Hey, I'm loving it, man. I'm definitely loving it. It was definitely like tangled towards the root, so it took longer than I expected, but we are finished, man. So yeah, bro. Hold on, let me turn around for y'all so y'all can see the back, the bite. You feel me? Look at that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see that. Alright, cool. It's gonna be looking like this for another month, you know what I'm saying? I'm just be rocking it like this. Cause I ain't want it to get like tangled at the root. Like, I ain't want them to get too tangled because they was already getting tangled already before I washed my hair. So I'm like, yeah, let me go ahead and take these down. So yeah, bro, here we go, bro. Like I said, I put the tea tree oil in my hair while I was taking them down. You feel me? So, oh, it feel good. Hold on. It's feeling real good, bro. So it's gonna be looking like this for a while, bro. So I already knew it's gonna look like this, man. So yeah, bro. As y'all see it, I'm not quitting the locks. This is just how it looks right now. So it's gonna be looking like this for what, 3 more weeks until I get my retwist. So yeah, bro, this is what we looking like, man. This is what we looking like. You feel me? It still looks like I got a fro though. So it looks like I still got the fro. I bet people gonna be like, oh, you took your dreads out? Nah, man, they still there. Had to let them breathe. Had to let my hair breathe, and I had to let my roots breathe, man. They was gonna start locking that at the roots with the 2 coils. So I ain't want that to happen. So I had to go ahead and dead that situation real quick. But yeah, bro, as y'all see, these are the new locks, man. This is new growth right here. Hold on. This is where she started the little comb coil, and then all of this right here is new growth, bro. All of this is new growth, which is crazy. That's crazy, bro. Oh my goodness. All of that, y'all see that? All that is new growth, man. That's crazy, bro. But yeah, bro, my camera about to die, man, so I want to go ahead and end this video before that happens. So if you're new, you like what you see, go down and hit the subscribe button, and once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop new videos, because they will drop randomly, like I always say. Good vibes only 454, my clothing brand. Go ahead and check it out at gvo454.com so y'all can be caught up with all the content. Oh no, I'm tripping. Subscribe to my other 2 YouTube channels, Life with Nate and Nate's Closet, so y'all can be caught up with all the content that I post on YouTube. But yeah, bro, that's pretty much it, man. So yeah, like I said, it looks like I got a fro right now, but just know the locks is still locking in there, man. Your boy still got the parts separated. I had to like separate the parts too, just so they don't like connect together too much. You feel me? Some of them still connected, but it ain't as bad as it was like earlier. You feel me? Like it was bad. You know what I'm saying? You couldn't tell like which dread was which. So yeah, I had to dead that situation too. So yeah, look at that. All that new growth, bro. That's crazy. But yeah, bro, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here, man. So now with that being said, it's your boy NateJustDope signing out. Deuces. I'm off this one. I couldn't get a bill paid. You could buy the real thing. I was staying up in your place, trying to figure out the whole thing. I saw people doing things. I don't think I want to use things. But we all so swore now.